How to copy your Likee ID on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to copy your Likee ID on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee app and click on it, and then just click these three lines in the top corner, and here you will find this one. Click on your profile and then just click this one here, this icon, if you want to copy your Likee ID. And as you see, Likee ID copied, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.